Wengenza kwethu ngethemba ukuthi niyaphila kuzonke indawo la kuzofika khona le video. Igama lami ngumsizi aka Inkosi yoHeart. Mina uRamaphosa noma umengameli wezwe uzabe kanje noma ke likanjena ke cabinet lakhe. Mase siya lapha kwi deputy president nguPaul Mashatile, mase kuthi ku Minister of Agriculture nguJohn Steenhuisen, mase kuthi deputy minister bese kuba uNokuzola Caba, mase kuthi ku Minister of Land Reform and Rural Development Umzwanele Nyotso, mase kuthi deputy minister kubeke uCupho Stanley Mathabatha. Mase sigijima ke siya ku Minister of Basic Education usiviwe noma ke usiviwe Gwarube, mase kuthi deputy wakhe nguRegina Mhaule. Mase siya lapha ku Minister of Communication and Digital Technology uSoli ke Malaji, mase kuthi deputy wakhe nguMondli kungubele. Mase siya lapha ku Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs uvele Nkosini Hlabisa, mase kuthi deputy Minister of Cooperation Government and Traditional Affairs uDixon Masemola uzolile Bans Ncamashe, mase kuthi Minister of Defence and Military Veteran ngu-AG ngonoma ke ngu-AG Motseka, mase kuthi deputy yakhe uBantu Holomisa noRichard Mkhungu, mase kuthi Minister of Electricity and Energy uGodzineto Ramokopa, mase kuthi ke udeputy wakhe uSamantha Graham, mase kuthi ke uMinister of Science and Technology and noma ke uMinister of Science, Technology and Innovation uBlade Nzimande, mase kuthi uDeputy Minister kube uNomalungelo Gina, mase kuthi uMinister of Employment and Labour noMakhosazane Math, bese kuthi ke deputy yakhe uJomo Sibiya kanye ke noPhumzile Mgcina, mase kuthi uMinister of Finance uEnoch Godongwane, mase kuthi deputy minister wakhe kube uDavid Masondo kanye ke noAsha Sarupen, mase kuthi ke uMinister of Forest and Fishes and Environment uDion George, mase kuthi ke uDeputy Minister kube ke uNarend Singh noBhavin Swart, mase kuthi uMinister of Health uAaron Motsoaledi, Deputy Minister kube ke uJoke Phahla, mase kuthi uMinister of Higher Education uNobuhle Nkabane, deputy yakhe uButi Manamela and Mini Gondwe, mase kuthi uMinister of Home Affairs uLeon Schereba, uDeputy Minister kubeke uNjabulo Nzuza, mase siya lapha ke ku Minister of Human Settlement noma ke uMamoloko kuba mase kuthi uDeputy Minister kubeke uTandi Mahambe Hlala noma ke Mahambe Hlala, mase kuthi uMinister of International Relations and Cooperation uRonald Lamula, mase kuthi uDeputy kubeke uAlvin Botis and Thandi ke Mora noma ke Moraka, mase kuthi uMinister of Justice and Constitutional Development uThembi Kademeng, Deputy Minister kubeke uAndres Nel, mase kuthi uMinister of Mineral and Petroleum Resources uGwede Mantashe, mase kuthi uDeputy Minister kubeke uJudith Nemadzinga Shabalala, uMinister of Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation uMaropele Ramakoko, bese kuthi uDeputy Minister uSeso ke Mohai, mase siya lapha kuMinister of Police uSenzo Mchunu, Deputy Minister mase kuba ke uPaul Boshelo noCastle Mathale, uMinister ke in President uKhumbudzo Natsaveni, mase kuthi uDeputy Minister and President uNonceba Mhlawuli noKenneth Morolong, mase siya lapha ke ku Minister of Public Service and Administration uMzamo Buthelezi, bese kuthi uDeputy wakhe uPinki Kekada, mase siya lapha ku Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure uDan Mapeson, mase kuthi ke uDeputy kube uSihle Zikalala, mase ke siya lapha ke ku Minister of Small Business Development uStella Ndabeni-Abraham, mase kuthi ku Deputy Minister kube ke uJane Sithole. Siya lapha Minister of Social Development uSisisi Tolane, bese kuthi uDeputy kube ke uGanif Hendricks. Siya lapha ku Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture bese kuba ke uGayton Mackenzie ukuthi deputy yakhe bese kuba ke uPeace Mabe. Minister of Tourism uPatricia de Lim, mase kuthi uDeputy Minister uMaggie Sotu, bese kuthi ke uMinister of Trade, Industry and Competition uPaki noma kuPakstow, bese kuthi uDeputy kube ke uZuko Godlimpi noAndrew Whitfield. Mase siwa lapha ku Minister of Transport ubhabhara Chris, mase kuthi uDeputy kube uMkhuleko Hlengwa. Minister of Water and Sanitation uPhemi Majodina, kuthi ke uDeputy Minister kube ke uDavid Mahlobo noIsaac Sehloho noma ke Sihlolo. Minister of Women, Youth and Person with Disability uSindisiwe ke Chikunga, mase kuthi uDeputy Minister kube ke uMpaseka Steve Letsike. Minister of Correctional Service uPeter ke Gronwald. Deputy Minister kube ke uLindiwe Ntshali. Zinjalo ke izinto wengane zakwethu, mina ngizofisa ukuthi ngizwe uvo lwakho nombono ukuthi wena cabangani ke ngalolu daba.